Bulbinaka, my name is Selestino Ravutaumada. I was born and raised in Tabuni. I started playing at 9 years old. Went to the village for my primary school, whole primary school. Came to Maris Brothers for year 9 and year 10. Then I got a scholarship to New Zealand, and that's how my career started. Thank you so much to all the moms out there. You guys are the best. You guys did an awesome job from the beginning till now. You know, all your sons must be very proud of what you've done. My mom, she's a really hard worker. She looks after her kids and everyone off field. Is being together with the boys, training and and winning games and at a home ground. Which memories when I got a yellow card. That was my first professional yellow card last week. I stay hydrated. I go to sleep early, and then I eat healthy food, and I stay in shape. Yep, I do call my daughter to put a smile on my face, and I listen to gospel songs.